I remember a few years ago when I was hiking in Austria in the Alps. It was really hot, like 30 degrees, very still, very, very hot. And we were walking up to a cabin up in the mountains, so it was a journey of about 2-3 hours. And oh my goodness, I was really flagging. We were going up this incline, little hill, kept going, little hill became a big hill, just didn't stop, just kept going up and up and up. And I was really flagging, and I thought, what would Jin Shin Jyutsu have me do? And then it came to me. Put your hands on your hip bones at safety energy lock number 2. And now, bearing in mind that I've been doing Jin Shin Jyutsu for 20-25 years, I'm still amazed at the power of a simple hold to help me out when I need it. So this is what my body was telling me. Put your hands on your hip bones. And this is what I did. And immediately I felt like I was getting a helping hand up. A helping hand, invisible hand, pushing me, helping me up the hill. And it was nearly like the generator was turned on. It was absolutely amazing. And I just held my toes for a while. And that was it. I was fine after that. Just so incredible. So if you like hiking, if you like walking, and you need a little bit of help, just place your left hand on your left hip. Just place your left hand on your left hip bone and your right hand on your right hip bone at safety energy lock 2. But it's like a miracle. It's like a little miracle. So I hope you enjoy that tip, and make sure you look out for the next one. Jin Shin Jyutsu on the go. You got your hands, they travel with you, so you can take them with you, and you can do Jin Shin Jyutsu on the go. Bye for now.